This is a video from eSkills Zone. For more videos, notes, and certificates, please visit www.eskillszone.com.
Hello and welcome. Hi viewers. In this video of today we will discuss array manipulation. So let's start. There are different operations can be performed by using array, like now I'm gonna give bullets over here. Number one, searching a particular element in an array, matching elements from two different arrays, sorting array, finding a largest and smallest number from an array, and rearranging array. So this is called array manipulation. We can perform multiple tasks, multiple operations, like searching a particular element in an array, matching elements from two different arrays, sorting array, finding a largest smallest number from an array, and rearranging an array. So we will discuss a computer program and we will execute it, we will compile it, and we'll show how this array manipulation is done. So let's write down the example of computer program. So on line number 10, we will type d is equal to 1. Line number 20, dim p20. Line number 30, for I equal to 1 to 20. Line number 40, read p subscript I. Line number 50, we can give line number 45. D is equal to p subscript I into D. Line number 50, next I. Line number 60, data 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14. So we will give total 20 values, right, starting from the number 1 till 20. 16, 17, 18, 19, and in the end 20. And line number 70, we will type print D, and line number 80, we will type E and D N. So this is the computer program. Now we will execute it in the IDE of the GWPC programming language. So let's switch to the IDE. So viewers, on line number 10, d equal to 1 was a variable named d, integer type, and we have assigned 1 to it. Line number 20, dim p 20 is the subscript, dim is the reserved name which is used for declaring array variable more than 10 elements. Line number 30, for I equal to 1 to 20. since we need total 20 values, so the final value will be 20 and the initial value should be 1. Line number 40, read p subscript I. P is the name of the array variable where I is the subscript of it. Line number 45, d is equal to p subscript I into d. Line number 50, next I. Line number 60, data 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, and 20. Line number 70, we will type print d, and line number 80, we will type end to end the program. Now we will save it. We will press the F4 key. Actually, you would like to print the product of all these values from 1 to 20. So we will save this program by pressing the F4 key, and we will type the name ARR man, like it is used for array manipulation. .bs is the extension of the program. We will press the F3 key and type again the same name of the program, and to load this program in the memory RAM, and now we press the F2 key. So this is the whole value which we can get right after multiplying all these values together. So 1 will be first multiplied with 2, and 2 will be multiplied with 3, and 3 multiplied with 4, 4 multiplied with 5 and 6 and 7 and 8, and every number will be multiplied with each other, the whole array variable, right, starting from number 1 till 20. So in the end we will get this output on the screen. So this is the execution of the program. We have typed the program and saved it and then loaded it and then run it. So finally we got this output. So let's switch to the text area. Now I will explain the whole program line by line for your better understanding. So here is the program, and here we will type the output. So let's start the interpretation on line 10. Integer variable named d is initialized with value 1, means that value 1 is assigned and stored to variable named d on the left hand side by using the assignment operator equal to symbol. On line 20, dim statement is used with array variable named p having subscript value 20. On line 30, counter loop for I is used with initial value 1 and final value 20. On line 40, read statement is used with array variable named p subscript I. On line 45, expression p subscript I into d on the right hand side is assigned and stored to the variable named d on the left hand side using assignment operator equal to symbol. On line 50, next I is used for the termination of counter loop for I. On line 60, data statement is used starting from the first value 1 till last value 20, which will be accessed by read statement. On line 40, we have just discussed above, read statement was used on line 40. So this data statement with all the values starting from 1 till 20 will be accessed by read statement on line 40. On line 70, print d is used to display the value stored in the variable named d on line 45. On line 80, end statement is used to end, or you can call close computer program. So that's the whole interpretation line by line of this above program. So how this program generates the output and give us the multiplication. Actually, we will give this name program and the heading that this program, we will call it program that fills an array P with 20 numbers read from the data list, then prints the product of the elements of the array. So this is how we can give the whole description of the program. What this program will do, it will first fill an array named P with 20 numbers, read it from the data list, and then print the product of the elements of the array. So that was the output. We just executed program, and then this is the interpretation line by line. So that's all, and thanks for watching my video.